we're gonna start by pulling some of this out. So this is the inside. You can see that that plate right there. That's under the license plate. That's the mirror here, the tailgate. So if you look in there, you see that plate. That makes the repair much harder. That thing right there makes the repair harder. Especially if you have to push right on the edge of that thing. It's really hard. So this is what it looks like inside. This is the area where the license plate finishes, and this is the plate right here, the end of the plate. And this is the area where it's harder to work. Anything this way is better. Middle is okay, little better, but on the edges are hard. Your tool keeps getting off, and where you want to push, and it becomes a little harder. But this is the texture I got right now. Not bad. Still a lot of work to do. Low spot right there.